Hi, today I'll be discussing the key differences between group and individual long-term disability policies. When filing for LTD benefits, it's important to understand these differences to give your claim the best chance of approval. But first, let's discuss how you can determine the type of policy you may have. You may have an LTD insurance policy either through your employer or purchased directly from an insurance company. Insurance policies obtained through your employer are typically group policies, and insurance policies obtained directly from an insurance company are typically individual policies. To determine if you have a group policy, you can check with your employer to see if long-term disability insurance is an employment benefit that they offer, and if necessary, whether you elected that benefit. Typically, this entails speaking with a member of Human Resources. If so, they can provide you with a copy of your plan's governing documents. To determine if you have an individual policy, you could speak with your insurance agent if you have one, or you can check your bank statements for evidence of monthly premium payments directly to an insurance company. If this is the case, you may have an individual policy, and you can contact the insurance company directly for a copy of that policy. While both types of policies will cover you for illness or injuries that prevent you from working for an extended period, they do have distinct characteristics. Group policies are often governed by a federal law known as ERISA. As we've discussed in previous videos, ERISA can make obtaining LTD benefits more challenging due to its strict rules and regulations. However, it's important to note that ERISA does not apply to all group policies. For example, if your employer is a church or government entity, then ERISA may not govern your policy. Group policies are also generally more affordable to have because they get group rates, and your employer may help pay those monthly premiums in part or in full. However, this also means that you cannot, in most cases, alter the terms of your policy. For example, you generally can't choose the insurance company, the definition of disability, the specific policy provisions, or the benefit amount, among other things. Group policies can also be stricter in their coverage. For example, many group policies contain any occupation definitions of disability, or begin as an own occupation definition and then transition to an any occupation definition after a set period of time. Individual policies, on the other hand, are more flexible with their coverage. This is because you are buying these policies directly from an insurance company and therefore are responsible for all the premium payments. You typically can choose the insurance company, the level of coverage, the specific policy terms or provisions, and more to suit your specific situation. Unlike group policies, individual policies are typically not subject to ERISA. It's important to keep in mind, however, that it is possible to have both a group and an individual policy at the same time. You could have a group policy through your employer, but still purchase an individual policy directly from an insurance company to provide yourself some additional coverage. If you need assistance with your long-term disability claim, you can reach out to us at any time for a free case evaluation, and we'll see if we can help you. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, and be sure to like this video and subscribe for our channel for more LC content. Thank you.